How to get bits in your Twitch account. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to get bits in your Twitch account. In order to get bits in your Twitch account, you could do this by following the simple steps. Open up a browser and then you could go ahead and open up a new tab. And once you're on the new tab, type in rpg.twitchtv.com/hub group collaboration. Here you'll be taken to this page where you need to go ahead and sign in with your Twitch TV account. So go ahead and enter in your credential and log in into your account. Now click the continue button at the bottom of this page, and once you've done this, click the continue button. Here you'll be asked to type in the password associated, and if you're sure about it, click the save button. And after that, you could go ahead and follow this prompt. Once you've done that, you could go ahead and get a free bit for your Twitch account. However, this is only possible as for the new beginners after 1 week of them joining the community. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.